Welcome back to the Loan Arranger radio show. My name is Bruce Woodburn. They call me the Loan Arranger because I arrange loans. If you want me to arrange a great mortgage for you, you just pick up the phone and call me at 407-706-3313 or apply online at WeBringYouHome.com. I've been in the mortgage business for 33 plus years. I've helped well over 10,000 families, and that's just me. That's not my branch. That's not my company. It's just the number I personally helped. So I can tell you that I'm hearing some real estate commercials out there that they help like 40,000 people. I don't know anyone that could help that many people individually and still talk to that many people. So anyways, if you want a great lender, you want somebody that cares about you, you want somebody that returns phone calls, you want somebody that truly will listen to you and not just say, oh, well, here's what you need. Just really care about their clients, then hire me. That's me. My team and I are here to guide you through the transaction, make sure that we get you the best mortgage for you and your needs. That's what we're here about. But I'm also about helping my real estate agents. My wife was a real estate agent. I met her. She was a Coldwell Banker agent. I met her in her office in Winter Springs, and she thought that I was a pushy salesman trying to sell mortgages, and yet in 2 days later, her boss called me to save a transaction that was falling apart that she had, and I saved the deal, and then I ended up marrying the realtor. So I tell you that because I built my business around real estate agents. So if you're a real estate agent, don't you really want your clients to have the best experience? Don't you really want to know that your transactions are getting to the closing table? You do realize that if a mortgage lender screws up a deal or tells you a client's qualified when they're not, or tells you a client's not qualified when they are, that your commission is at stake. And your commission is important. You need to make a living, and your clients need to be able to buy a home. Don't you want accurate information? Don't you want somebody that has all the programs that are necessary? Don't you want to deal with a lender that's got your back? Don't you want to deal with a lender that cares a lot about the client and make sure that we guide them in the right direction? My team has been personally trained by me. And I'm going to tell you something. I run a tight ship. I'm not always an easy boss to be around. I'm very demanding. Why? Because I care about the clients. I care about your needs, the client. I care about the realtor, and I care about the transaction going smoothly. So in order to do that, I have to run a pretty tight ship. You want somebody that cares about their business, cares about you, cares about your commission if you're a real estate agent, cares about making sure your clients are guided in the right direction, then hire the Loan Arranger, 407-706-3313, or go to my website at WeBringYouHome.com. Now, I want you to stop everything and go to your Google thing on your phone, and I want you to go to YouTube, Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please. I'm just asking you that as a favor. It's not going to spam you on stuff. It's not going to send you a bunch of solicitations. It won't send you anything, as a matter of fact. But it helps me in my rankings, and it gets me a little bit more viewing audience. So if you could help me out with that, Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, YouTube, and subscribe to that. Now, I'm teaching a class I mentioned in the last segment on August the 17th for realtors and home buyers that want to understand low down payment loans and how to get in this market and take advantage of it. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer. You could be a repeat buyer, but you can be a real estate agent and understand how these programs work. But I'm also going to be, and that's at Miller's Ale House on August 17th, 6 to 7:30 p.m. There will be food and drinks involved. No children, please. This is a learning moment. Now, if you're a real estate agent and you want to know more about what type of financing is available so that you don't look like a dum-dum in front of your clients, because my clients are super well educated. My listeners know loans. They know what's available. Don't be a real estate agent out there that's like, yeah, I don't really know anything about that program. No, you need to have all the tools in your tool basket. I'm going to make sure that you have all those tools. So I'm going to be teaching a class at the Outback Steakhouse in Claremont on Friday, August 5th for mortgage strategies for realtors. Now, these are not for you to have a strategy. They're for you to understand the best loan programs for your clients, or to even understand them. What does an FHA loan do? What are the advantages, disadvantages? Why would a VA loan be an advantage? What are the disadvantages of a VA loan? How do sellers view that? How do listing agents view that? What about conventional? Are they the best? What about USDA? Who qualifies for USDA? What's the down payment on those? Can you use VA more than once? Can you use FHA more than once? There's just a million things that you need to know. And I'm here as a resource for you to understand that. So there will be a mortgage class, but you will need to register right away, because that class is going to be on August 5th. That's a Friday. And I believe it's going to be from like 11:30 to 1. I'll confirm the times. You'll go to my website at webringyouhome.com. Jeanette should have that up and running by today. So get into one of those classes. I will make sure that if you're a real estate agent, you have the best of the best of the best, so that you can refer your clients to me confidently, knowing that they're in great hands. Because at the end of the day, your commission is in my hands. And if I screw it up, your deal falls apart, you don't get paid. I do a great job, you get paid, and your clients will use you over and over again. What do you think my goal is? My goal is to make you look good. My goal is to make sure that your clients are happy that you referred them to me. Now, don't be one of those realtors that go, well, I'm going to give out 3 names, okay? I'm going to give out the credit union and some guy that I met Sunday that was really nice and dropped off a flyer, and then I'm going to give the loan arranger. No, here's what you do. Do you want the best? I'm going to give you the best. Call Bruce Woodburn, the loan arranger, at 407-706-3313. Or text him at that number, or go to webringyouhome.com. I'm going to refer you to the best. Why do you refer your clients to the best? Because you know they're going to be taken care of the best. You know that I have all the loan programs that are necessary. You know that I return phone calls. I return emails. I have people on staff 7 days a week to answer your calls and to take your client leads. That's what I do. So refer your clients to the best. Why would you refer them to second best? Why would you do that? It just makes you look bad. And when you refer people to multiple lenders, you confuse the client. I'm telling you, you confuse the client. Now, you have a client, you refer to me and you go, you know what? I really didn't care for that guy. Okay? I didn't care for Bruce Woodburn. I didn't care for his team. If that does happen, you call me right away because I'll fix it. But if it does happen, then say, you know what? I got another name for you. But why would you give somebody the second best? Give them the best. Give them the loan arranger. I'm applying for the job. Put me to the test. I guarantee you will not find another lender that will take better care of you and your clients. So get into my class, learn the programs. I will help you. I have so many tools to help my real estate agents. Speaking of real estate agents, I want you to know this. I have created a program called the Loan Arranger Real Estate Rebate Program. Now, I'm pushing first-time home buyers to get back in the market. Not because interest rates are down. They're not. They're up. But sellers are willing to negotiate. I combine that with Hometown Heroes. I combine that with other down payment assistance type products that I can offer you. I combine that with low down payment loans. But then I went out, listen to this, and I took a hand-selected group of agents that I really, really like, that do a great job for their clients, that are on the same page with me. They have a high work ethic, a high moral standard. They're professional. They know the industry, and they know their market. Now, you call me, and you want to buy a home. I connect you with that real estate agent. They will give you, right now, limited time offer, 25% of the buy-side commission back to you as a rebate. So you think about that. You're buying a $400,000 house, that could be $3,500 back in your pocket. Now, when I say in your pocket, they can't give you the cash, but they can pay your closing costs for you. Isn't that great? Now, you combine that with them negotiating 3% from the seller. I mean, come on. You could be in this deal for down payment only. If I do this on a down payment assistance program, you may not have any money out of pocket. Now, is that worth it? Some people say, well, I don't know if I want a down payment assistance. I might have to pay it back. Yes, you might. But think about this. Like Hometown Heroes, I love this program. It's getting heroes, law enforcement, first responders, teachers, educators, healthcare workers, nurses, anybody that falls into any of those categories. It gives you up to $25,000. So what? You say, well, when rates drop, I got to repay the $25,000. So what? Think about this. You buy a 375 house. It goes up by 5%. First year it's worth $395. Second year it's worth $413. By the end of the second year, you could pay back the $25,000 and you still have money in equity. You're in the game, man. Stop getting out of the game. Get in the game. There's no such thing as a rich renter. There is no such thing as a rich renter. I'm telling you that. I don't mean to be offensive. I'm just telling you that if you are a renter or you know somebody that's renting, shame on you. You owe it to yourself to fix that problem because you have somebody here that's willing to help you fix the problem. I just talked to 2 clients this morning. They want to be in the market. Their credit is not so great, okay? But I said, I will help you fix your credit if you do everything I tell you to do. You have to do what I tell you to do, and you cannot dilly-dally around for it. If you do what I tell you to do, I paint you a path, you become a homeowner. It's that simple. It's that simple. You may not qualify today, but listen, if anybody can get you approved today, it's me. I don't even have credit score requirements on FHA loans. Most lenders do. 640, 620, some may go as low as 580. If I can get you approved eligible through desktop or Freddie Mac's LP version of an underwriting automated system, I'm going to close your loan. I don't have overlays. Overlays are additional restrictions that banks, credit unions, and lenders put on their loans. I don't have overlays. So why would you go anywhere else? I got the best VA loans. I've been helping veterans for 33 years. I got the best FHA, USDA 100% financing, conventional 3% down, every down payment assistance program you can imagine, hometown here. I mean, come on. It's just a no-brainer. If you're a real estate agent or you're a buyer, whether move up, move down buyer, first time, buying your second home, buying your vacation home, buying rental properties, you don't need to go any further, man. I'm right here. The Lone Ranger. 407-706-3313, 407-706-3313, or WeBringYouHome.com. WeBringYouHome.com. All the reasons to buy in this market. No reason to sit on the sideline. Don't worry. We're not dating. We're only dating the rate. We're not dating the house. We're going to marry the house. We're going to date the rate. I'll refinance you. Everybody we're doing a loan for right now will be refinanced. I'm just going to tell you, don't go, well, it's going to cost me money to refinance. Yes, but it'll save you money. Well, how do I know it'll save me money if it costs me money? Because I'm going to save you money on monthly payments when we refinance. Everybody's going to refinance, but don't jump to the gun. I have a list of people that I put down. What's your rate today? What's the target rate? Okay, it needs to be 4.5. I call you when it's 4.5. I got you on my list. We locked it in. We refinance. Okay? Yes. Does it cost money to refinance? Yes. But if you're one of my clients, you get reduced cost. You save money. But I guide you into the direction of when is the right time to refinance. How long are you going to keep the house? Oh, another 5 years, maybe 10, maybe 20. Who knows? Great. I use what I call my 36 rule. If you can't break even in 36 months, you probably shouldn't do it. That's it. Even if you're going to keep the house for longer than 36 months, probably shouldn't do it. Sometimes I go to 40. It just depends on the client. But I look at those things and I advise you. You call the Rocket, you call your credit union, you call your bank. They don't care about that stuff. They go, oh, you want to refinance? Yeah. You want to buy a house? Here's what I got. They don't guide you in the right direction. They don't really even analyze your situation. The Lone Ranger does. 33 years experience in the business, applying for the job for you, your family, your friends. If you're a real estate agent, a builder, I got the best construction loans in the market. You call the Lone Ranger. 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. Or WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. Save that number in your phone. I'll be back in 5.